Making money online has become a little bit tedious for some people. Really tedious for some people. And on this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make money online with a platform called Binance. Yes, this video is actually for a complete beginner. It's actually for a complete beginner. This is what I was actually doing at first when I knew nothing about how to make money online. This was what was giving me the money. It was helping me to make money online. It's your boy David Kwame and welcome to my YouTube channel, David's Hustle. Make sure you subscribed and watch this video to an end. Also, put on the notification bell in order for new updates on how to make money online. Okay guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back. And also to the newbies, make sure you watch this video to an end because it's going to really help you. And if you haven't made money online before, this strategy is going to help you. So make sure you watch this video to an end. Okay guys, if you don't know what Binance is, this is the app Binance. You can get it on App Store and on also Play Store. Download the app and verify it with your national ID passport to have full access of the app. Okay, what I used to do previously was I just deposit $10 of USDT. To those who actually don't know what USDT is a stable coin equivalent to $1. Yes, equivalent to $1. This is USDT. As you can see here, I have 67 US dollars. Yes, it's equivalent to the dollar. Okay, so what I do is deposit 10 of them. I just buy them online on Binance. Okay, in my upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to purchase USDT on Binance. So I just buy them, and you can see a menu here on the top there. We have the favorites, we have the hot, we have the gainers, we have the losers. These are all the menus of how the cryptos like fluctuates. Yes, moves up and down. Yes, the favorite is actually the cryptos that I've listed on my favorites. Yes, as I have listed as my favorite. So when you get to a favorite, you're going to see cryptocurrency that I've listed as my favorite. And the hot is the strategy, is where I pick my strategy. The hot is actually the cryptocurrency that rises with fast move. Yes, rises with fast move. So after depositing my USDT, what I do is as you can see here, we have so many coins. At the home menu, we have so many cryptocurrency here. And what I do is I purchase Solana. This is what we call Solana. The SOL down there is the Solana. That time it was around, I think, $12 there. I purchase Solana. Before I do that, I make sure I click on the Solana and watch the market trend. Yes, and watch the market trend. Listen very carefully. We have two types of trend. We have the uptrend and the downtrend. We actually have the three, and we have consolidation or ranging market. Okay, we have the uptrend market and the downtrend market. From price 168 to 167 is a downtrend. As you can see, price is moving downwards, so it's called downtrend. When price is moving upwards, what you see here to the newbies are candlesticks, and you can see it moving downwards, and that one is called downtrend. And when the price is moving upwards, it's called uptrend. Yes, so this is an example of consolidation. It neither move up trend or downtrend. As you can see here, goes up down, goes up. When you see price like that, just stay away from the market. So what I actually do is I study the trend and make sure it's on uptrend. You get it? For example, here like this, from 167 to 168 is an uptrend. So what I do is study the market and study the red lines and the green and the red candles and the green candles. So what I do is I already know the move of the market currently. So what I actually do is I then transfer my USDT coin. When you buy the USDT coin, it's actually on wallets. It's on wallet, the funding side. So when you click on funding, you come straight to transfer, and this is how it's going to appear. So you transfer your USDT from the funding to the spot wallet. So it will directly come here to the spot wallet. You get it? So what I actually do is, some people just do this by going to trade, and then they simply buy um let's start everything, not everything as a whole. They simply go to home and click on Solana, and then just buy and sell the Solana. Buy the Solana there, depending on the trend. But I wasn't doing that because the moment you buy and sell, they are going to deduct some amount from it. So do you know what I do? Let's say this is the current amount of the Solana. I just go to trades and go to convert. So when I get to convert, let's hold on. I choose the USDT that is on my spot wallet. I search for it here, USDT, USDT, and then click on it and click on max. So after clicking on max, I currently don't have anything there. Then I search for the Solana here, and click on the Solana. Then I convert. I click on max, and the amount will appear. After the amount appear, I click on preview conversion. I convert it from USDT to Solana. So after converting it, I go back to the home menu and then click on Solana. Then wait for it to rise. As you can see, it's rising. You get it? And I make sure as it's rising, since it's an uptrend, I make sure it rise above the previous. I monitor it, the previous uptrend, the highest one, that is the highest price, that is the 168. You get it? I make sure it rise above it, then go back and convert it into USDT. In that way, they are not going to take any charges. That was what I was actually doing at first. They are not going to take any charges. I just wait and do that. And let me show you one thing. I forgot to show you one thing. As you can see above the chart here, you can see time 15 minutes and 1 hour, 4 hours daily, and 1 minute. Yes, when you are doing that, you are actually going to monitor the time. You'll make sure that you put it at 1 minute. The time is actually the time frame, and every candlestick form under a particular time. Do you get it? Let me say it in this way. The chart is actually a representation. The time frame is actually a time representation of the chart. I don't know whether you get what I mean. It's actually a time representation of the chart. When you get to 1 minute, the candlesticks here forms within 1 minute. When you go to 4 hours, the candlesticks here form within 4 hours. You get it? So within every 1 minute, as you can see, as it's rising and falling, you can see that it will stop right here and then it will move on. You get it? Under every 1 minute, it forms a new candle. So that was how I was making my money. That was how I was making my money. I just study the chart, move to time frame, then bah, I do my converting. It's simple as ABC. That was how I was doing it. I knew nothing about trade then. That was how I was doing it. So guys, this is how I was making my money. And make sure when you are doing that, bring the time frame into 1 minute. And after that, you convert your USDT to whatever currency you want to convert into. But make sure you study the trend. And I only do this during uptrends. And if I don't really find any uptrend candle here, I just go back to all. Or let's say when I click on Solana was downtrend. I don't tempt it at all. What I actually do is I just go back to hot and find a candle and find a coin. Sorry, and find a coin that is actually trending. You get it? And find a coin that is actually uptrending. Then I buy that coin or I convert into that coin. After converting it, I wait for, let's say, for it to pass the level that I bought that coin at. When you do this, you are going to gain profit. It's simple as ABC. That was what I was doing at first. But now I'm a master trader and a forex trader too. I trade crypto too. So in my upcoming videos, I'm going to teach you how to trade. I'm going to teach you the strategy I use in trading. Yes, the strategy I use in trading, and it's actually going to help you. It's actually going to help you. So guys, do this and you are going to earn. It's simple as that. Do this. And let me tell you one thing. When you convert your currency into the spot wallet and suddenly you lose all your coin, through that you lose all your coin, don't be worried. You haven't lose the coin, but you've just lost the value. You get it? You are not empty, you've just lost the value. When the price rises above the level where you lost your coin, you are going to regain it back. But it's just going to delay you. You get it? It's just going to delay you. That is how it is. You are not going to lose anything. It will just delay you until you regain it back. So it's simple as that. And make sure you study the trend before you make a move. Without studying the trend, you might lose your money. You get it? Without studying the trade, you might lose your money. We do this to gain profit, not to lose. Okay, guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you.